In today's video, we are adding thousands of dollars worth of carbon fiber to this 2017 Audi R8 V10 PLUS. Hey, this is Bryan. Thanks for watching Kies Motorsports. If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up, make sure to subscribe, and check us out at KiesMotorsports.com. You may recognize this 2017 Audi R8 V10 PLUS from other videos like Capristo install, KW Hasket, and many more. Well, we're back today, and we're adding a ton of carbon fiber. In the rear, we're going to start by installing a super aggressive Vorsteiner style diffuser, a large wing, we're going to do a Capristo style front lip, and finish it with carbon fiber paddle shifters. Now, we have a lot to do in a short amount of time, so we don't have time to DIY it, but enjoy this time lapse. Now that everything is fully installed, we wanted to show you what the end result of this car looks like. And man, we are completely in love with the way this car looks. And if you haven't seen, this car is also a chick magnet, so be sure to see the link in the video to see that video. But if we start with the diffuser, it's a Vorsteiner style. This is actually a 4-piece diffuser, and I think it completely changes this from, you know, a regular Audi to a real supercar, especially with that Capristo exhaust. Now, you can't just leave this super aggressive diffuser with the little wing that comes on. You have to add the matching big wing, which again, it transforms it to race car, supercar, instead of just an Audi R8. Now, the thing is, you can't do all of that to the back and not do anything to the front, because that little tiny carbon lip just doesn't really do that much justice. But by adding a Capristo style front lip, it completely transforms the front of it, but really the only thing left now is the interior. So that's where we added these unbelievable looking dry carbon paddle shifters. Now, these are significantly larger than the factory ones. Now, whenever you add paddle shifter extensions, no matter what car, no matter what brand, it's always advised when installing extensions to still use the factory position. You want to shoot for the middle. You don't really want to be shifting off the top of these things because it could damage the electronics, because whether it's Audi or BMW or another brand, most of them are just flimsy plastic. So, but the feel in the hand, it feels really good. It shifts, it's super precise. And these ones actually came with built-in electronics, so it was complete plug and play. And it really just adds a super nice touch, especially because it matches all of the other carbon elements in the interior of this R8. Now with the Audi R8, it is a phenomenal car out of the gate, but if you want to make it into a real supercar and what you pictured as a kid in your mind of what a supercar is, a couple elements you need to be aware of. You need to add a Capristo exhaust because it sounds completely insane. Next, you need to lower the car ever so slightly so people don't confuse it with an SUV. And third, adding carbon like this makes the car look so much more aggressive and so much more like a race car than, you know, just a typical supercar off the showroom floor. But in all seriousness, this car sounds amazing, it looks amazing from every angle, and we couldn't be more pleased with how it turned out. Now, if you are interested in any of the parts we've installed on this video, we're gonna have some links for you down in the description. Once again, my name is Brian, that's Zach behind the camera. Thanks for watching Kies Motorsports. If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up, make sure to subscribe, and check us out at KiesMotorsports.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.